Hi, I am Derwin Herman, and in this video I am going to describe you about what are effective natural ways to improve kidney function. As per studies, certain herbs are found to be very effective to improve the functioning of body organs. What are effective natural ways to improve kidney function? This is a common question heard from people. In this article, we are going to see some of the safe cures for treating toxin accumulation in body. Burdock, a common ingredient in many herbal products, is a cure for preventing toxin accumulation. It acts as a natural blood detoxifying agent. Lack of adverse action is a main advantage of including burdock root in daily diet. It promotes urination and flushes out toxins through urine and sweat. Unconsidered accumulation of toxin can lead way to many health risks. Fatigue, blurred vision and headache are some of the common symptoms shown for poor renal health troubles. Similar to burdock root, sarsaparilla is another safe cure for renal health troubles. Sarsaparilla acts on body cells and nourishes it by supplying enough nutrients. Today, many herbal products can be availed online with sarsaparilla as the key ingredient. Dandelion root is another herb to improve blood detoxification. There are various health advantages of including dandelion root extract in daily diet. Improving blood circulation, detoxifying blood cells and rejuvenating cells are some of the important health benefits of including dandelion root products in daily diet. Today, you can also avail dandelion root powder in the form of tea packets. For effective result, try to drink dandelion root tea twice or thrice per day. Apart from tea and extract, you can also avail dandelion products in the form of capsules and tablets from market. Papain, an active ingredient in papaya, is found to be very effective to improve the functioning of detoxification process. It rejuvenates body cells naturally. Papaya can be also used to prevent health risks like constipation due to accumulation of toxins in body. Similar to papaya, bromelain is another cure for toxin accumulation in body. You can find bromelain as an active ingredient in pineapple fruit. Those who wish to reduce the risk of toxin accumulation naturally can make use of pineapple fruit to flush out toxins from body. Elderberry, enriched with amazing health benefits, is another cure for treating many health issues. It is renowned for health advantages like improved immunity health and enhanced blood circulation. Selecting the best product for cleaning kidney and liver may not be an easy task for all. How to select the best product from store? This question is quite frequent from people. Reading reviews from users is one of the best ways to select the right product from store. UT Clear is a safe cure for treating many health issues like toxin accumulation in body. It is potent composition of ingredients that have been used for decades for treatment. If you are in search of a perfect herbal cure for treatment, feel free to select this particular product from store. Anyone can use UT Clear capsules directly with milk or water. If there is any doubt regarding the dosage level, there are many professionals available online to assist you. Improved blood circulation, reduced toxin accumulation in blood and enhanced immunity health are some of the advantages of using this herbal cure. Buy UT Clear capsules worldwide web.darmanis.com.